Hi there. What is the most challenging task for the scientist? The scientist may belong to any callings, any areas, but there are a lot more challenging tasks. But the topmost being how to create world peace, remove all the dirts from the minds of the human being, the impurity of the thoughts of the mind, greed, anger, hatred, jealousy, and cynicism, which is the root cause of all sorrow, suffering, not only for mankind, for birds, with animal, plants, and humans. This is the first priority. The human being should understand the reality of life, and the reality is get rid of all the evil thoughts, the impure thoughts, because that is going to bring every suffering, every disturbance, chaos, commotion, wars, because these are evils, because human being has lost feelings for the fellow creatures. Because I am Pandit, Fakir, Yogi, Virendra Yogi, so I have feelings for all of you. My philosophy being the whole earth is our family. And in that family it is not only mankind, but every creature which is planted on the surface of the earth, including birds, beasts, animal, plants, of course, the human, the latest, most thoughtful and intelligent thinking creature, priority one. Second, the most important discovery and invention a man should focus, the man should focus is not to become weaker when your age is become little advanced. Death, if you can conquer, is fine. But if you cannot conquer death, because this is a law of the nature, origin and end, birth and death. But as long as human being can survive, he should be some imaginary gods and goddess of Hinduism. They are always young, because I am a supreme human being, but age is slowly going to make me weaker. I don't like that. I don't like to be weak, my friend. I want my muscles as strong as Schwarzenegger. Even Schwarzenegger is depleting his all masculine forces. So this is the two basic things the scientists, our biologists, our doctors who are dealing with DNA improvements, they should think about it. It is better to be always very strong and very powerful, always youth, youth, youth. Eliminate the word old age. It is not acceptable. Youth is the real power, dear friends. Of course, majority of our young children don't understand the value of their youth. They waste their time. They bring all the sorrow, suffering, grief and pain by not properly using their youth. Youth means energy, youth means enthusiasm, youth means determination, youth means commitment, youth means power, youth means drive, dedication, passion, full measure of devotion. That youth I want. I'm trying my best. Being a yogi, I take care of my everything possible so that beyond 100 I can be as strong as anybody who is 30, 40. But I cannot have the trick and the magic of the science to see my muscles power, my cells, recreation, and all these beautiful things should remain always fresh. Thank you, viewers. Greatest of the great, my best friend Einstein, Stephen Hawking, Newton, and so many immortal friends who are no more. Even Gautam Siddhartha Buddha, whom I treat as my own replica, they're all gone. Their thoughts remains. Thought I will be there because I love all of you. Love is lacking. The first point I question to the scientist, the psychologist, the humanitarian great human being, Abraham Lincoln type, peace is the need of the hour. One of my best friends was Kennedy. J.F. Kennedy. The warring nations are really a threat for the survival of the all creatures on earth. This is man-made problem. They're hegemonistic, they're egoistic. Zhong, Jing, Zhang, Chong, Zhai, idiots. Shameless creature. Not knowing the reality of life, no feeling. Barricading the world in hate, greed, anger. Attacking, bombarding, destroying. Shame! Bottom line. The wisest of the wise of the planet Earth should focus on 2 points. How to remove the anarchy, the turbulence, the violence from the planet Earth. Peace and peace and peace. Harmony, balancing mind of the mankind. Second, how to do some kind of manipulation so that aging is not there. A man, child become strong, become young, and youth should prevail much more than hundreds. Thank you, viewers. Try, scientist.